Hello and welcome to another update video about LINK. LINK continues to correct, basically is in this correction, produces lower lows and lower highs, and at the moment, price action at least hasn't done anything to invalidate my idea that we are now in this wave 2 correction. So I'll go with that. This wave 2 correction obviously suggests a decline to this area here initially, so basically around $12, $13, because if we zoom out, we can see that this is where the support area, the standard support area for the wave 2 starts at $12.80. We don't need to go any lower, really. I mean, the price doesn't need to do anything. It's all probabilistic anyway. But this is sort of the standard support region for the wave 2. If wave 2 is really unfolding, then we should know soon. And also, we should probably, however, not even go much below $12.80. I mean, maybe $10.68, but from what I can see right now, this would sort of be rather in the upper section of this standard support zone. Why? It simply has to do with the A wave. How deep did the A wave go? But also with the guideline that says that often a wave 2 correction ends in the region of, in the neighborhood of, a previous wave 4 of lower degree. And this wave 4 ended in January. This was a wave 4 of lower degree. Wave 4 of 1 ended in January, at around basically 1250. So that's sort of initially what I'm going to watch for. In the very short term, I'm tracking this ABC structure, okay? So the idea would be, in the most ideal form, that this wave 2 completed an A wave. We're now working on a B wave, and then a C wave down could still follow. And it is, of course, possible that we're doing something more bullish. That would be the yellow potential on the chart, the yellow 5-wave pattern. This is how it would look like. However, I don't have any evidence for it, and it would need to prove it to me. So either way, I'd like to see a little bit more of a stronger B wave anyway. So my forecast would be that at least as long as here those swing lows are holding, this week's lows, let's say around $16.60, I would like to see a more healthy B wave. So the idea would be, of this larger wave 2, wave A bottomed on Wednesday, the B wave is now unfolding, and it would be a 3-wave move in an ABC structure. Yeah, B waves are 3-wave corrective patterns. They are the corrections in corrections. Very difficult to forecast. But then, as soon as the B wave is complete, we can watch out for a C wave to the downside that could take us into that already mentioned yellow support zone. Now, why don't I, let's say, believe something more bullish? Well, it's just the overall context. So this wave 1 to the upside has done what it needed to do. Yep, it could still get a squiggle higher, but then this would mean that, I don't know, this would have to be a wave 4. It became quite protracted, so I don't favor that. And also, looking at the micro price action here from this week's low, yep, you could count it as a 5-wave move if you really wanted to, which I've done here. I'm showing that. But it doesn't give much confidence, because the 5th wave didn't quite reach the 1.618 extension of wave 1. Not great. And the wave 4 basically nearly cut into wave 1. Okay, not invalidated, but the wave 5 then was very shallow. So it's just not a great 5-wave move. In addition to that, an A wave can be a 5-wave move as well. So I give the bulls the benefit of the doubt anyway here, because I'm in favor of another rally, at least in wave C of B. Fair enough, if after that rally another higher low is forming, then yeah, I'm going to give you a support area for that, but it wouldn't be high confidence. So if 5 waves up form, then we can still add another support area later, but that's not preferred. So at the moment, I'm quite clear. I'm in favor of the white count, in which, yeah, a larger B wave could follow, and then the trend will be up anyway. And then I will look for clues that the C wave to the downside has started, and I will give you the relevant support then that we'll need to break to confirm that. I mean, could it be that all of wave B already topped? Yeah, anything could be, but it would be a very, very shallow B wave. So I I would favor a larger B wave. But the pressure is down now. So for me, I've got, I'll see here downside pressure. And it could obviously follow directly, but I would just prefer that larger B wave. I think that's quite clear. Standard resistance is the red zone. It's between $19.33 and $21.29 or $21.30. That's the standard resistance zone that would be relevant here for this larger B wave. Yeah, that's just a quick update about LINK. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.